You understand? Agricultural field. One day, his father had engaged many laborers to root out the weeds from the fields. Bankarai had gone there to supervise it. So it was noon time. Still they had not finished rooting out all the weeds, but field was there. Bankarai said, "You have so many laborers engaged, but you have not finished up to now. And it is now past noon, and you are so hungry. So you go back to your home, take food, come earlier in the afternoon. I am staying here, waiting for you. You go." So they went to take food. The Bankarai himself rooted out all the weeds himself. Within half an hour he finished everything. You understand? And collected all weeds, put it in mounds, different mounds. So when the laborers came back and saw, all weeds are already clear. And that boy, Bankarai, had cleared alone. They became amazed. And they went to his father, Hadai Pruga, and informed him, Hadai Pandit, your younger son, Bankarai, sent us to our homes to take food, and himself, he alone cleared all the weeds. Now, he's putting those weeds in mounds, in Bankarai. Many villagers and his father came running to see, and Bankarai saw villagers, his father and villagers coming to him. He hid himself behind a big mound of weeds and disappeared there. His father went there, villagers went there, but couldn't find him. He disappeared. When Mother Padmavati heard that his son had disappeared, she also ran crying. So all were crying. And Bankarai disappeared. So an aerial voice came, "You cannot see me now in this form. Don't cry. It's coming Ekadasi day. You'll find me floating in this river Jamuna in the form of a log of wood. Form of a vigraha, deity, carved out of log of wood. You understand? I'm floating in coming Ekadasi day. You'll find me. There, you take it up and offer worship to it." So, that place is still there, known as Kadamakhandi. Now it's known as Kadamakhandi. All people waited there on Ekadasi. In proper time, they saw that deity was floating. So Nityananda Prabhu himself picked up the deity and installed the deity and offered worship. And it is said that when Nityananda Prabhu disappeared, he entered into this deity. Understood? Entered into this deity. And on this day, yesterday, the appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu, the Nityananda Prayodasi, 13th day of bright fortnight, very big festival and fair every year is performed there, held there. Yearly festival. All right, then I'll speak something in English. Okay. Yeah. So, Nityananda Prabhu during his boyhood pastimes, giving pleasure to his parents, to all the villagers of that Ekasakragrama, you understand? So he became 12 years old. At that time, once, all on a sudden, a Parivrajaka sannyasi came, wandering sannyasi, came and became guest in the house of Hadai Yoda, Hadai Pandit, father of Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Bhagavata says this thing, Daiveka Dinaka Sannyasi Sundara, Island Nityananda Dana Kelvara, Nityananda Pita, and Vikyagraya, Rakshilan, Paramananda Vishwaya. So this sannyasi is elder brother of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, whose name was Vishwarupa. Vishwarupa left home, didn't marry, took up sannyas. His name was Sankararanya Puri. So that sannyasi came. Understood? Huh? Understood? So that is in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned, Tave Putra Janamila Vishwarupa Naam, Mahagunaman Teha Baladeva Dhama, Baladev Prakash Parvema Sankarsana, Teha Vishwarupa Nimitta Karana. This Vishwarupa is Mahasankarsana. It is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita, is the incarnation of Baladev. In Gauraganadesa Deepika, it is mentioned about Nityananda. Bhakta Swarupa Nityananda Braje Jaha Sri Harayudha Baladeva Vishwarupa Bhuya Sankarsana Mataha Nityananda Avadhutasya Prakashena Saukyate. In Gauravananda Srivika mentioned about Nityananda, that is, who was Harayudha, that holding cloud in the upper Juga with Krishna, is Nityananda, with Gaura. Understood? Is Nityananda with Gaura. In the quadruple expansion, 4 quadruples, Sankarsana is Sankarsana. You understand? Is Nityananda, Avadhuta. So this Nityananda is Gaurama Dapursuva. Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Ate Prabhutare Bole Vadavai Krishna Balaram Chaitanya. Therefore Mahaprabhu always addresses him elder brother. Addresses Nityananda as elder brother. Krishna Balaram, Gaur Nitai. So this Vishwarupa, he left home without marrying, didn't marry, he took up sannyas. His name was Sankararanya Puri. That sannyasi came to that village and became guest of Harai Pandit. You understand? Harai Pandit accepted him as guest, made a nice arrangement, and he made arrangement of staying underneath a banyan tree there. Because sannyasi never stay in the house. So he made arrangement of staying underneath a banyan tree there. You understand? Then Puriya. So Harai Pandit, Harai Oza, father of Nityananda, Prabhu, made arrangement of Vishwarupa with Sankararanya Puri, sannyasi, to stay underneath the banyan tree there. And he was sending food, water requirement through Nityananda Prabhu. That sannyasi was looking, seeing the very beautiful form of Nityananda, and he was very much impressed with him. So day he was going to leave that place, asked Harai Oza, I have one request to you. I want to beg one arm from you. Can you give me? And I said, yes. Whatever you like, you may ask and give it. Then the sannyasi said, I am going out on pilgrimage to visit the holy places. I want your son Nityananda to go with me, give him. You understand? To me. When Harai Pandit heard this, he became very morose. Yes, one son, elder son has already, and the younger son has already disappeared. One son. You understand? So he couldn't speak anything. Like a monk. Then he went to his wife Padmavati and asked. The sannyasi asked this thing to take our son Nityananda with him. This is his aunt, he wants. Padmavati's devoted wife. She said, what is your opinion? Thus, I accept it. I have no different opinion. Whatever you do, I accept. Then Maharaj Uddhava remembered the Ramayana incident. Once Vishwamitra came to Dasarath and asked his two sons Rama and Lakshmana to give him the sannyasi Vishwamitra. And that happened to me, Maharaj Uddhava said. Then I have to do this thing and give. No, he was unwilling. Yes.